Hello everyone, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we're going to talk about something truly powerful, how to improve your intelligence. Intelligence is not a fixed gift that only a few lucky people are born with. It is a skill, a muscle, a living force inside you that can be trained, sharpened, and expanded. Every single day, you have the opportunity to grow smarter, wiser, and more capable. And in this session, I want to take you on a long, deep motivational journey where we explore intelligence from every angle. We'll talk about what it really means, why it matters, how it shows up in everyday life, and most importantly, how you can improve it step by step. Let's start with a simple truth. Intelligence is not just about IQ scores or academic achievements. It's about adaptability, creativity, emotional awareness, problem solving, and the ability to learn continuously. Think of intelligence as a toolkit. Some tools are sharp, others are rusty. The more you practice, the sharper your tools become. The more you challenge yourself, the more tools you add to your kit. And the more tools you have, the more prepared you are for life's challenges. Imagine two people. One has memorized thousands of facts but struggles to connect with others. The other may not know as many facts, but they can solve problems, adapt to challenges, and inspire people. Who is more intelligent? The second person. Because intelligence is not just about information, it's about transformation. Now let me share a story. There was a boy named Ravi. He wasn't the top student in his class. In fact, he often struggled with exams. But Ravi had one quality, curiosity. He asked questions about everything. Why is the sky blue? How do birds fly? Why do people smile when they're happy? His teachers sometimes grew tired of his endless questions, but Ravi kept asking. Over time, his curiosity led him to read books, watch documentaries, and experiment with ideas. Years later, Ravi became a successful scientist. His intelligence didn't come from memorizing. It came from observing, questioning, and learning continuously. This story shows us that intelligence grows when curiosity is alive. If you want to improve your intelligence, start by asking questions. Don't just accept things as they are, explore them. Science tells us that the brain is plastic. This means it can change, adapt, and grow throughout life. Every time you learn something new, your brain creates new connections. Every time you practice a skill, those connections become stronger. So intelligence is not fixed, it's expandable. Think of your brain like a garden. If you plant seeds of knowledge, water them with practice, and expose them to the sunlight of curiosity, the garden will flourish. But if you neglect it, weeds of laziness and distraction will take over. Improving intelligence is about cultivating your mental garden every day. So how do we do this? Let's go step by step. Reading regularly is one of the most powerful ways to grow intelligence. Reading exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and vocabulary. It stretches your mind. Even 15 minutes a day can make a difference. Challenge yourself with puzzles, games, or problem-solving activities. Chess, Sudoku, or even strategy video games can sharpen your thinking. Learn new skills. Try a new language, a musical instrument, or a sport. Each skill activates different parts of your brain, making it more flexible. Take care of your body. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, improving focus and memory. Nutrition matters too. Foods rich in omega-3, antioxidants, and vitamins support brain health. Practice mindfulness. Meditation helps you focus, reduces stress, and improves clarity. A calm mind is a sharp mind. Engage socially. Conversations, debates, and discussions expose you to new perspectives. They challenge your thinking and expand your awareness. Sleep well. Sleep consolidates memory and clears toxins from the brain. Without sleep, intelligence suffers. Let's look at another story. Maria was a woman in her 50s. Many people thought learning was only for the young, but Maria believed otherwise. She decided to learn French even though she had never studied languages before. At first it was hard. She struggled with pronunciation and grammar, but she kept practicing. She listened to French songs, watched French movies, and spoke with native speakers online. After 2 years, Maria became fluent. Her friends were amazed. But more importantly, Maria felt her mind was sharper, her memory stronger, and her confidence higher. Maria's story teaches us that intelligence can grow at any age. It's never too late to improve. Now let's talk about emotional intelligence. This is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and to connect with others. Emotional intelligence is often more important than IQ. Why? Because life is not just about solving problems, it's about relationships. If you can stay calm under pressure, empathize with others, and communicate clearly, you are intelligent in a way that truly matters. Improving emotional intelligence means practicing self-awareness, empathy, and communication. Another dimension of intelligence is creativity. Creativity is not just for artists, it's for everyone. It's the ability to see possibilities, to connect ideas, and to innovate. When you cook a new recipe, write a poem, or design a project, you are using creativity. Improving creativity means exposing yourself to new experiences, experimenting, and not fearing mistakes. Failure is a powerful teacher. Many people think failure means they are not intelligent, but the opposite is true. Failure is part of growth. Every mistake teaches you something new. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. Each failure improved his intelligence. So don't fear failure, embrace it. Learn from it. Use it as fuel to grow. Improving intelligence is not about one big effort. It's about small daily habits. Reading, exercising, reflecting, and practicing curiosity every day build intelligence over time. Just like muscles grow with regular training, intelligence grows with consistent practice. So my friends, intelligence is not fixed. It's flexible, expandable, and alive. You can improve it by reading, learning, exercising, sleeping, practicing mindfulness, engaging socially, and embracing curiosity. You can grow emotionally, creatively, and logically. You can turn failure into wisdom. Remember, intelligence is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being curious, adaptable, and willing to grow. Every day is a chance to sharpen your mind. Every challenge is an opportunity to expand your awareness. Start today. Read a book, solve a puzzle, learn a new word, observe carefully, reflect deeply. Over time, you will see your intelligence blossom like a garden in full bloom. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.